Hi, I'm Nick Metta, partner at the Italian law firm Studio Legale Metta. If you don't already know, we are an Italian law firm with bilingual lawyers, and we help foreigners with Italian legal matters ranging from visa and immigration, citizenship, real estate, inheritance, taxes, business acquisitions, etc. Today, I want to talk about the very recently approved new visa for Italy called the Digital Nomad Visa. Everyone is talking about this, but while it's exciting, we wanted to help clarify where things actually stand right now. Here's what we know so far. A digital nomad is a person who performs highly professional and digital tasks. The visa has to be requested at a consulate that is competent based on the applicant's country of origin. It cannot be requested when you are already in Italy. You will need to demonstrate that you already are earning a minimum income and you have your own comprehensive health insurance. Also, you have to prove that you have no criminal record, and once you obtain the visa and you get to Italy, you will have to apply for an immigration permit in Italian permesso di soggiorno as for any other visa. That said, here's what we don't know. First of all, the law does not specify how you define highly professional and digital tasks. Secondly, the amount of income that you will have to demonstrate is not defined by the law. There is no mention if you will have to have earned that income for a certain amount of time before applying. Also, it doesn't say what the application process will be. For example, whether there will be special forms or protocols to pursue for this type of visa. And we don't know when we will know these details. The reason for this is that there is in this new provision a mention that the Italian government has to issue a decree to set out the specifics about the digital nomad visa requirements. But there is no deadline for this decree. So at this time, there is no concrete time expectation as to when the decree will be issued and when we will know all the details to apply for the digital nomad. Until that point, it is not possible to apply for it. For what we know, it can take weeks or months until the government will issue this decree. So the truth is that while this is huge news for those who work remotely and want to live in Italy, nobody has all the details right now, and it might take some time for the digital nomad visa application process to be fully defined. Therefore, don't start packing your suitcase yet. We will be keeping on top of this and bringing you more details as they emerge. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow and like our Facebook and LinkedIn pages so that you will be notified when we post more content around this issue. Stay tuned.